Hello everybody, Sorbeaten here, and welcome back to another past paper practice video. In this video, we'll be looking at some relations, functions, and graph questions, specifically functions, and we'll be looking at some past paper questions on this topic. So let's get straight into the video. So this question says, the function f is defined as, and we have f of x is equal to 2x plus 7, all divided by 5. Find the value of f of 4 plus f of negative 4. So to answer this question, what we need to do, we need to find the value of f of 4 and then find the value of f of negative 4, and then we add those two together. So first, let's find f of 4. So we see f of 4. So we have the function f of x is equal to 2x plus 7 all divided by 5. So f of 4 will be 2 multiplied by x, in this case, which is 4, plus 7 all divided by 5. So f of 4 will be equal to 2 4s, 8 plus 7 all divided by 5. So f of 4 would be equal to 8 plus 7 would be 15. 15 divided by 5 would be 3. So f of 4 is equal to 3. So now we can find f of negative 4. This will be equal to 2 multiplied by x, which is negative 4, plus 7, all divided by 5. So 2 times negative 4 would be a negative 8 plus 7, all divided by 5. So negative 8 plus 7 would be a negative 1 over 5. So f of negative 4 is equal to negative 1 over 5. So we work this out, we will have a value of, this can simplify to negative 1 divided by 5 would be negative 0.2. So this will be the value of f of negative 4. So it's f of 4 plus f of negative 4. So this will simply be, so we can say f of 4 plus f of negative 4. This will simply be, we see f of 4 is equal to 3 plus f of negative 4 is equal to negative 0.2. And this will simply be 3 plus negative 0.2. This will simplify to, this will be simplified to 3 minus 0.2, which will be 2.8. So the answer to this question is 2.8. As easy as that. So this question says, the same function, calculate the value of x for which f of x is equal to 9. So we need to be careful once again. So they told us that f of x is equal to 9, not f of 9. So make sure you spot the difference. So we'll replace f of x with 9. So let me just write back the functions. We'll have f of x is equal to 2x plus 7 all divided by 5. So they said f of x is equal to 9. So replacing this here with 9. Note there's a difference between f of 9 and f of x is equal to 9. There's a big difference. So this will be 9 is equal to 2x plus 7 all divided by 5. So to solve for x, the first thing we need to do is take over the 5. So this 5 is divided, and we take it over, multiply. So we have 9 multiplied by 5. And this will give us 45. So we have 45 is equal to 2x plus 7. So to solve for x, we take over the 7. So the 7 is adding, we take 2, we'll subtract. So we'll have 45 subtract 7 is equal to 2x. So 45 subtract 7 will give us 38 is equal to 2x. And then we solve for x by taking over this 2. When this 2 goes over, it will divide. So we'll have 38 all divided by 2 is equal to x. Hence x will be equal to 38 divided by 2 is 19. So x is equal to 19 when f of x is equal to 9. And that is as easy as that. 2 nice and easy marks. So the last question for this here says, the function f is defined as, and we have the same function, they want us, hence or otherwise, determine the value of f inverse of 9. So here's the thing. This question is going for 1 mark because you can use what we got from the previous answers to answer this question. But let's say you don't know the relationship between the inverse of a function and what the function is equal to. All you can do, work it just like how you know to work it. So we can just find the inverse of f of x first of all, find the inverse of f of x, and then we'll work from there. So in order to find the inverse of f of x, we replace f of x with y. So we'll have y is equal to 2x plus 7, all divided by 5. And then we exchange the x and the y. So we'll have x is equal to 2y plus 7, all divided by 5. And then we just solve for y. So we take over the 5 is divided, we take it over and multiply. So we'll have 5 times x will be 5x is equal to 2y plus 7. So the 7 is added, and we take it over and subtract. So we'll have 5x subtract 7 is equal to 2y. And then to solve for y, we just take over the 2. The 2 is multiplying, and we take it over to divide. So we'll have 5x subtract 7, all divided by 2 is equal to y. And we have y, we can just rewrite this as y is equal to 5x subtract 7, all divided by 2. So we know we replace this y now with f inverse of x. So 5x minus 7, all divided by 2. Then to answer the question, we want us to find f inverse of 9. So this will simply be f inverse of 9 is equal to, so we replace x with 9. So in the function, in the inverse function, we replace x with 9. So we'll have 5 multiplied by 9 minus 7, all divided by 2. So 5 times 9 is 45, subtract 7, all divided by 2. So this will be equal to 45 minus 7 would be 38. 38 divided by 2 would be 19. So f inverse of 9 is equal to 19. And as you can see, we found x to be 19, because when you find the inverse of a function, it's like you doing this here in reverse. So that is where we got 19 as the answer here. So you could have just stated that, because f of x is equal to 9 and x is equal to 19, and f inverse of 9 would be 19. Nevertheless, you can also work this out like this. This is the safe way to do it in case you don't remember the relationship. So with that being said, this has brought me to the end of this video. I trust that you have a good understanding of how to answer these questions. And remember, keep practicing. So you have to keep practicing over and over again to master this mathematics. So I'll see you in the next video, in which we'll be looking at some additional questions. Until then, take care and keep practicing.